Hello, my name is Cork Lee. This is a demonstration video for my final project, Persona Tensei Down Hellhole for Dr. Weeks Game Programming Class of 2025. And this game is a turn-based RPG inspired of Persona game series and Shin Megami's Tensei series owned by Atlas. And I made this game using purely HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In the back end, the game is organized into different files to keep things clean. But all your game's data, such as your health and level, are stored in one place, and that is in the local, in your browser pretty much. So when I save the game, I can exit out, and I can load back in, just like that. I removed this feature after you load the game so that you can only save once just for reason. So the main feature here is the combat logic. Every enemy has a specific strength and weakness, and if I use say bash for this one, it shows me it was super effective. But if I use Aggie, it wasn't that super effective, but it was enough to kill the enemy. But even then, the code recognized the super effective attack, and it gave me the one more bonus turn. And that one bonus is pretty much the core of the game. I also spent a lot of time on the interface. It adapts to your screen size. So if you play this on a computer, it looks like this. It looks like a dashboard. But if you play this on your phone, if I can show you right here, phone, it doesn't look that appetizing, but it works and it's functional. You can also see the battle log at the bottom right here. So you can also scroll up and down. And it tells you exactly what's going on, how much damage you did, and if you dodged an attack. Finally, for the level progression, I didn't build a set of number of floors. Instead, I wrote a formula, and the game counts how many enemies you defeat. So every 5 kills, kill count is 0 right now until I select an award, but every 5 kills, it automatically spawns a mini boss. Every 10 kills spawns a main boss. And this means the game creates a level for you, and you can technically go on forever until, well, at least for 10. So in conclusion, Persona Tensei is a complete playable RPG that works in your browser, and I'd like to thank Dr. Weeks for the semester. And just a disclaimer, the character designs belong to Atlas, and I don't own any of the sound effects or backgrounds of this game. I just simply code it. By the way, I'm the only developer of this game. This is a one-man army type project. Well, yeah, one-man army thing. So let's just go ahead and see if I can reach the end of the floor within a reasonable time. It's actually super effective. If I do bash, I won't do that much damage. So this is a mini boss, you know. I can learn a skill, or I can learn a passive skill, which is double your critic hit. Let's do that. Okay, random stats, bash with her, stats, yeah, screen shakes, which is pretty nice, right? And this is the boss of the first floor. So let's use bash. Damn, I lost. Oh, and that's how it is. Thank you for watching.